I'm by names ASP Rutabana Mamalius, OC Station, Kamwenge District. I'm here at Hotel Africa Complex for a seminar organized by UCC, where they've come to sensitize people about counterfeit phones, tricks used by fraudsters, how we can check fake phones. This program was especially organized for people with disabilities. In their facilitation, we've come to know about how we can check counterfeit phones, and they've told us that with time, these phones will be phased out. So they've told us to look for original phones, and they've told us how to check. We thank UCC for organizing such an event. We know now we are going to be safe against these counterfeits and fraudsters.
UCC, communication for all.